Good morning, U.S. history students. It's Monday, March 23rd, and although we're over a week away from having any formal interaction, I just wanted to put a message out there for you so we can be prepared when we start next week. This will be a day 2 class. You'll hear quite a bit about that format soon, and the units behind me are the ones that we'll be focusing on. World War II, the Civil Rights Movement, and the Vietnam War era. I'll be working closely with Mr. Keneally and Mr. Rund to put together an effective curriculum package for you, and I'm looking forward to the challenge that this presents. Just know that I'm here to help you, so please contact me anytime that you need, and I want to see everybody engaged and having success in this third trimester, and we can accomplish that together. My only advice here is focus on the things you can control. Try to have an open mind and a positive attitude about all the challenges that are being presented to us. And certainly follow the CDC guidelines. Wash your hands thoroughly and stay out of crowds. I'm looking forward to our formal interactions starting on a week from tomorrow. We'll see you soon.